One of St. Louis's oldest organizations working to prevent domestic and sexual violence was handed a major tool to empower clients. The pandemic brought many hardships, including the rise of domestic violence cases.
Agencies like Safe Connections are doing whatever they can to protect victims and survivors. 5 on your side's Justina Cornell learns how a new effort using technology will help tackle the problem.
COVID-19 played a major part, keeping people in their homes for a good portion of the year.
The COVID-19 pandemic forced many families indoors for months, but behind closed doors in many households, people still weren't safe.
The St. Louis Metropolitan Police Department received more domestic disturbance calls last year than in the previous 5 years.
St. Louis police responded to nearly 5% more domestic disturbances in 2020 than the previous years. In St. Louis County, the numbers also escalated during the pandemic. In 2017, there were 1,408 calls. In 2018, 1,328. The year prior to the pandemic, 1,657. Then COVID hit in 2020, reaching record call numbers of 2,094. And so far in 10 months of this year, they're at 2,025.
It's a tool for that survivor to be able to utilize.
A new initiative using technology will bring a sense of security to survivors and victims of domestic violence.
Ring will be donating 1,000 video doorbells to Safe Connections.
St. Louis Mayor Tashara Jones partnered with Safe Connections and Ring to create a partnership needed during a difficult time. Safe Connections interim CEO says that these Ring door devices will help with safety planning and help survivors feel a bit more safe.
They can see who's at their door.
The Ring Door initiative builds on another recent effort by Safe Connections, a crisis text line.
We know that our youth, they want to text. The survivor may not have been able to get away and make a private phone call to call our crisis helpline, but they may be able to get a text.
These may be new tools, but the impact is already being felt.
The sheer relief of my client's face when I explained the Ring Doorbell initiative is indescribable.
Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.
And the Ring door devices will be on site at Safe Connections later this week and handed out to clients. If you know someone who needs help or support, they can call Safe Connections 24-hour hotline. That number 314-531-2003.